Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. So, go to the software, new, solid modeling, choose part and tick this use default template and click OK. Our dimension are in mm, so choose mm solid absolute, click OK. Now just go to the model. Now I am going to draw a cube of length 84 mm and height of 72. Extrude up to the length of 55 plus 25. I am taking front plane. Go to sketch, sketch view. First draw the center line. Press the roller to conform. Now take the rectangle. Create a symmetric rectangle. Press the roller to conform. Now the length is 84 and go to the model. Length is 84 and height is 72. To view fit screen, now we have done our drawing sketch. Click OK. Now we just want to extrude this. Click this extrude. Just rotate your object by using your mouse center roller and choose here as a symmetric. Now just go to the model. This extrusion length is 55 plus 25, that means 80. Press enter and press OK to confirm. Now we have done this cube. Now we just want to do a remove material features. First I am going to remove this circular slot. For that, select this middle plane, go to sketch, sketch view, draw the center line for dimensioning. Now just go to circle with the center, create a circle and press the roller to conform. Now just go to reference, take this as reference, just close, go to line, press the roller to conform, again take this line, press the roller to conform and connect these ends and press the roller to conform, again press the roller to conform. Now we just want to delete these unwanted segments. Go to delete segment, this one and this one. Now again press the roller to conform. Now we just want to specify the radius. For this, go to the dimension. The radius is 12. Go here. This radius is 12. Now we have done our sketch. Just click OK. Just rotate your object by using a center roller. Go to extrude. Make this as a symmetric extrude. Material removal. Just drag your cursor up to this. Now just click OK to confirm. Now just go to the object model. Now we have created this slot. Then we just want to remove this one. For that, the length of 55, this is 25. Just go to the model, take this middle plane, go to sketch, sketch view. Always check with this right datum plane and right and sketch. Now go to reference, take this reference, take this reference, take this also, just close. Go to rectangle, just create a rectangle, press the roller to conform. Now the dimension they have specified is from here to here 25. Then this dimension is automatically 55. Again go to the model. Actually we just want to now down. Now our thing is correct. Just click OK. Now we just want to remove. Go to extrude, to remove material, just click OK. Now go to the model. Now we just want to make a round of radius 15 and radius 32. For this, go to here, go to round tool, select this edge. This round radius is 15. Just click OK. Again select this edge, go to round, this radius is 32. Just click OK. Now go to the model again. Now we have done the features this side. We just want to remove material here. We just want to keep a material of 40. For that, just go to the model, select this surface, go to sketch, sketch view, go to reference, take this edges as a reference, just this also, just close, go to rectangle, go to the model. You just want to keep the distance of 40, that means mid plane. Remaining we just want to remove it. Just go here, it's OK, just click OK, go to extrude, change the direction, material removal, then click OK. Now again select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view, go to reference, take this edges as a reference, and this one and this one and this edges, just close, go to rectangle, just create a rectangle and press the roller to confirm, just click OK. Now we are just removing bottom side. Just rotate your object by using your center roller, go to extrude, flip the direction, go to material removal, click OK. Now go here, this feature also we have removed. So now we just want to remove of triangle of height 25. For that, go to this, select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view, reference, close, go to line, join the line, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now go to the model, this height is 25 and this distance is 28. For that, this is 25, go to dimension, select this point and this edge, this is 28. Now just click OK, go to extrude, flip the direction, just to next, click OK. Now go to the model again. Now here also we are removed. Now we just want to remove a slot of 8 mm thickness, height of 16. For that, go to the model, select the surface, sketch, sketch view, go to reference, take this edges as reference, just close, take this rectangle, just create a rectangle, press the roller to confirm. Now go to dimension, this height is 8 mm, this length is 16 mm, this width also 8 mm. Click OK, rotate your object, go to extrude, flip the direction, go here to next, just click OK. Go to the model. Now we have done our entire model. Go here, just go here, unselect this all plane and go here, shading with edges, Now we have done our model. For appearance, go to view, appearance, give some yellow, choose this part, click OK. Now we have done our model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you found easy method to draw the same component using Creo Parametric, just comment me. Thank you.